Magnitude 5.6 earthquake recorded off the coast of British Columbia. Officials are reporting a 5.6 magnitude earthquake near the coast of British Columbia Friday morning. The U.S. Geological Survey says the earthquake occurred near Bella Bella this morning at 5:59 a.m. The depth of the earthquake in the Haida Gwaii region was around 5.1 kilometers. The earthquake occurred north of Vancouver Island just before 6 a.m. Our aftershock in Ridgecrest if 5.4 magnitude. A magnitude 4.6 aftershock occurred minutes later, shortly before the 5.6 quake off the coast of BC. A magnitude 2.9 earthquake was recorded in Yelm, according to USGS.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.